This video will walk you through the differences between hike and mountaineering modes and show you how to set up your watch, navigate, and record your mountain adventures. First, let's guess which is hike and which is mountaineering. Hike. Mountaineering. Mountaineering. Hike. Mountaineering. Did you guess right? If you're walking on marked trails or forest paths with moderate gear like hiking shoes, a backpack, and some food, that's considered hiking. Mountaineering, on the other hand, involves more technical terrain like steep slopes, snow, or high altitudes, and may require crampons, ropes, helmets, and more. It involves higher risk, such as falling from heights, avalanches, or altitude sickness. Based on the differences, Garmin offers different default data screens for each activity. Hike focuses on elevation, distance, timer, compass, grade, speed, and more. On the other hand, mountaineering focuses on ascent, descent, vertical speed, location coordinates, and more. However, many mountain routes seem to fall somewhere in between. Sometimes you're carrying a heavy pack, scrambling up steep sections, maybe even using ropes or other gear, but it still feels more like a hike. So feel free to choose the mode that best matches your route and experience. Next, let's get the watch set up before we head out. First, download Garmin Connect and Garmin Explore on your phone. Log in and pair your watch. For details, please watch your watch's Getting Started tutorial video. Both apps can update your watch, create courses, import GPX files, and adjust settings. But they're made for slightly different purposes. Explore is better for hiking and mountain use. It lets you find trails, download offline maps, and save waypoints. Connect is more for everyday sports, like cycling, swimming, gym workouts. It also has training plans, challenges, and safety tracking. So we recommend keeping both apps and using them together. Second, pin hike or mountaineering to your watch's main activity screen for easy access. Open Garmin Connect and select your watch. Activities and apps. Activities. Add. Select your activity. Then, go back and select Manage Pinned Activities. Select your activity. Now it's pinned. Third, use Garmin Explore to create and sync a course to your watch. Open Garmin Explore. Select the plus icon. Create course. Add points to create your course. If needed, tap the activity type to switch to another mode. Save your course. It will sync to your watch automatically. For details, please watch our tutorial videos. Next, how to start your activity with a course navigation. Press the Start/Stop key. Select Hike. Navigate. Saved. Select your course. Do course. Wait for GPS. Press the Start/Stop key to start the activity and navigation. Press the up or down key to view data screens. Then, to stop your activity, press the Start/Stop key. Select Save. Your activity will automatically sync to both Garmin Connect and Garmin Explore. Next, how to make sure your elevation is accurate. Your watch automatically calibrates the altitude by default, but you can still calibrate it manually before starting your activity. Press the down key and select ABC. Hold the up key and select altimeter. Calibrate. If you know the exact elevation of your current location, select Enter manually. That's the most accurate method. If you're in an area with obstructions like trees or cliffs, select Use DEM to estimate elevation based on your GPS location and digital elevation model data. If you're in an open area with a clear view of the sky, select Use GPS to get elevation data through GPS triangulation. Lastly, there are 4 useful tips. First, set shortcuts. Go to System. Shortcuts. Set shortcuts for keys. Second, change coordinate format. Go to System. Advanced. Format. Position format. Set your preferred coordinate format. Third, adjust satellite mode. Go to Activities and Apps. Hike. Satellites. Use GPS only to save power on long trips. Fourth, add a data screen. Go to Activities and Apps. Hike. Data screens. Add data screen. Create your own data screen or choose a preset one. And that's it. Thanks for watching.